Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling fine, Miss. Thank you. And how about you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking, Bayu. So, before we start our class today, let's pray first. Pray begin. Finish. Well, for the secretary, don't forget to send our attendance today to our group, WhatsApp group, okay? Well, now, before we start our material, if I'm not wrong, in the previous meeting, we have discussed our material regarding introduction, right?
Yes, Miss.
Does anyone have a question about previous material?
No, Miss, we have understood.
All right, that's good. So let us continue with our lesson today. Is about expressing gratitude and apologize. So, Miss, what is gratitude means? What is the definition of gratitude means? Apa sih gratitude itu, Miss? So, gratitude is a praise or utterance that someone says to others for helping, giving something, or complimenting to us. Jadi, kalimat gratitude itu adalah sebuah frasa atau ungkapan yang biasanya digunakan seseorang ketika orang tersebut mendapatkan pertolongan atau diberikan sesuatu seperti hadiah, atau ketika seseorang tersebut mendapatkan pujian. And in English, that is called gratitude, or we can usually say kalimat ungkapan terima kasih. So, Miss, expression of gratitude commonly known as thank you, thanks a lot, you're so kind, that means so much to me, thank you for blah, 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 like thank you for helping me, thank you for anything, I'll never forget your kindness. And when someone said expressing gratitude, like thank you and etc., surely we need to answer it, right? So how do we answer it, Miss? What response can we use to answer this expression? So these are the responses that we can use, such as you're welcome, thank you very much, it was my pleasure, no problem, glad to help, it's all right, and etc. So, does anyone have any lack of explanation, or do you have any question regarding this material? Atau bisa dilanjut?
No, Miss. We could continue with Miss.
Okay, let's continue with the example. Bayu, can you please help me to read this example?
Yes, Miss.
Go
Have
ahead.
you understood the difference? Have you understood the difference between a gerund and active participle? Yes, sir. I understand now. That was very kind of you. It was my pleasure. I am happy if you've understood. I hope you can pass the test.
Okay, thank you, Bayo, for your participating. Well, that is one of the example about expressing gratitude and its response. So I have already made this word, like that was very kind of you, as expression, and it was my pleasure as their response. Sampai di sini bisa dimengerti?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Jika sudah mengerti, we continue with apologize. So, what is apologize? Apologize is a phrase or words that usually said after someone had done something wrong, terrible, or making anyone uncomfortable that causes horrible impact. Jadi, apologize ini adalah sebuah frasa atau kalimat atau kata yang biasanya digunakan seseorang ketika orang tersebut mendapatkan atau telah melakukan sesuatu hal yang buruk dan telah membuat seseorang itu nggak nyaman dan membuat sesuatu dampak yang buruk bagi seseorang. Same as a gratitude expression, in apologize, there is some of expression that we can use, such as please forgive me, I'm very or terribly or awfully sorry, I'm sorry for the trouble I have caused you, I'm sorry for disturbing you, I'm sorry that I made you wait for me, and we can use the response such as apologize accepted, what a pity, no harm's done, don't worry about it, you shouldn't apologize to me, and etc. Jadi ini beberapa kalimat yang bisa kita gunakan dan juga respon yang bisa kita gunakan untuk menggunakan kalimat apologizing atau permintaan maaf. Kalimat apologize dan gratitude atau kalimat permintaan maaf dan permintaan terima kasih atau ungkapan terima kasih itu biasanya kita gunakan tergantung dalam keadaan apa atau tergantung apa yang sedang kita lakukan. Like, please forgive me. Jadi responnya itu sesuai dengan ekspresi yang dikatakan sebelumnya. Contohnya, I'm sorry for the trouble I have caused you. Jadi katanya, saya minta maaf atas semua masalah yang saya timbulkan. So we can use responses like apologies accepted. Artinya, permintaan maaf diterima. Atau we can use don't worry about it. Nggak usah khawatir, jangan khawatir. Seperti itu. Sampai di sini, apakah dapat dimengerti?
Yes. Yes, Miss.
Okay, well, there is the example. There is the example, and who wants to read this conversation?
Hey, Miss.
Yes, sure. Go ahead, Bayo.
Excuse me, ma'am. I can't click assignments for today. Oh, why? I forgot to bring my homework book because last night our family stayed at Grandpa's house. Grandpa is sick and Grandma needs our help. All right, that's okay. You can collect them tomorrow. I apologize for not being able to collect it on time, ma'am.
And the teacher said, no problem. Right? Jadi, coba Bayo saya tanya, yang warna apa yang termasuk ke dalam kalimat apologize? Itu kan ada dua warna tuh. Ada warna merah dan warna hijau. Miss mau tanya, warna apa yang termasuk ke dalam kalimat expressing of apologize?
No problem. Warna merah.
Okay, that's correct ya. Jadi, yang warna merah ini adalah expression of apologize. Dan tentu saja yang warna hijau ini adalah response-nya. Well, thank you, Bayo, for helping me. Now, so expressing gratitude and apologize is actually very familiar, right? In our daily life, like in home, whether in home, school, with our friends, teacher, or even with a stranger. So I hope with learning this material, all of you would understand what is exactly what you did. Like when you said, "Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you," or "Thank you for helping." Jadi kita jadi ingat, oh itu adalah salah satu kalimat apologize. Oh itu adalah in English we can di dalam bahasa Inggris biasanya disebut gratitude seperti itu. Sampai di sini ada yang ingin ditanyakan?
No, Miss. We have understand all.
Okay. If you already understand, let's move to exercise. Jadi, ini ada beberapa pertanyaan. Contoh pertanyaan pertama itu adalah a sentence that can be used to express our regret for any action or any mistakes that we have did or called. Who can answer this first exercise?
B. Apologize.
Apologize, right? That's correct. Okay. Second question. That means so much to me is one of the example of expression that can be used when we A, B, C,
B,
or
Miss.
D. Yeah, Bayo?
B, Miss. Thanking expression.
Thanking expression. That's correct, ya. Betul ya, betul sekali. That means so much to me. There is one of the thanking expression. And thanking so if you already understand that means so much to me is one of the thanking expression, I have question. What is thanking expression? Thanking expression is, can you answer it, Bayo?
Is thanking expression is an expression you use when someone express gratitude to you.
Can you repeat your answer, Bayo?
Thanking expression is a response or expression you use when someone expressing gratitude to you.
That's correct. Give applause to Bayo. And the last question, please write one example of apologizing before. Can you answer this, Bayo? One example, just one example.
Yes, Miss. And the example is, for example, for apologizing. No worries. No worries.
Okay, that's correct. The response ya, not the expression. And Bayo setelah mengerti ya, karena jawabannya benar semua. Now, I'm confident, I'm sure that you all already understood about our materials, and I think that is enough for our lesson today. Don't forget to repeat the lesson in your home in order for better understanding. And if there are any question, and if you still quite understand about our material today, do not shy to asking me in our WhatsApp group. And here I have exercise 2. Please make one conversation that has apologize expression and thanking expression and their responses. And please share your assignment at tomorrow in our WhatsApp group. Okay, do you have any question? Do you have any question about our material or our exercise?
No, Miss.
Okay. Well, because all the material have been explained, let's close our meeting today with hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. So thank you for attention
No,
and
Miss.
participation. And don't forget to learn this material, and wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you for the next meeting class.